Right now I'm on top of over $8,000 of car parts for this exact BMW behind me. Finally, the 335i build series has begun. Today and the beginning of the series is making this car run absolutely perfect. So let's go over everything from FCP Euro that we purchased for this car. Let's go. Actually, a little backstory or my BMW and why I'm doing all this. So I own a 2007 335i. Stock when I got it. It is in pretty decent condition for the year, for the mileage. And I really love this car and I really want to modify it and make it great again. So before we do that, we do have to do all the maintenance things. So if you own a BMW and you want it to be forever healthy and reliable, you're probably gonna have to do a lot of these things. But first, let's start off with what's in this box. I actually have no idea what's in this box. So it's a box inside a box. Look at she knows she's on camera. Look at that girl. Oh! Stop trying to take my attention, all right? I'm trying to film something. It's not cool. Here, oh, a turbo. Have you ever seen a turbo like this? You wanna get closer? We actually did buy a pretty big turbo for the car. I'm just kidding. So this, honey, behind the camera, there's a water pump. These cars, water pump tends to go bad, so we went ahead, bought a water pump, and I do want to show you guys. So all these parts, OEM parts, are from FCP Euro. Oh shoot. We literally got what every single BMW needs. A functional cup holder, straight from BMW. Here we do have a tensioner and pulley set. I believe this is a tensioner. We got a nice pulley with it. So here is probably the most expensive thing that I purchased for this car, and it was very, very pricey. High pressure fuel pump. This is yet another weak point for these cars. It does tend to go bad. When we start pushing a lot of power, I don't want such an important piece going bad. I want to have fun with the car. And as I said before, all these parts straight from FCP Euro.
If you don't know who FCP Euro are, they sell OEM, OE, aftermarket performance, and genuine car parts for European cars. Browse through their website, they literally have everything you would need for your car. And the incredible thing is, everything has a lifetime warranty replacement. So you buy it once, if it goes bad, you send it back and get a new one completely free.
We do have something very, very important because we are getting a transmission tune as well. We did get brand new transmission solenoids. A lot of people tune the transmission. It starts slipping because they did not do the solenoids. So we went ahead and got brand new ones. There's a total of 7 solenoids, like little sensors you can see right there. It should be pretty simple to put on. Woo! All right, this box is massive. All right, let's put it to the side and bring the items to the middle. Here we do have the belt. You guys did go ahead and see the tensioner before this. It is from Continental, 7PK 1855. I think that's the code for this belt. 2, 4, 6 Delphi Technologies coil packs. Here we do have 1-step colder NGK spark plugs. More belt drive components. There's idler, auto trans valve body sealing sleeve. Here we got another one, auto trans valve body sealing sleeve. More oil cooler stuff. O-ring gaskets for when we take off the manifold and we can just put this in. Here we got the big old valve cover gasket. Transmission fluid, tranny fluid, tranny fluid, tranny fluid, tranny fluid, tranny fluid. Okay, that's a lot of tranny fluid, what the heck. Total 7 bottles of tranny fluid. Made in Germany. Ooh, here we got the thermostat for the water pump. It is recommended that whenever you do the water pump, do a thermostat as well. Mishimoto magnetic drain plug. If you didn't know this about BMW, they do not have studs. They come with factory bolts. So imagine that you're bolting your wheels on the car instead of taking out the nut and just taking out the wheel. So we did go ahead and get studs for the car. So it's basically a stud conversion, you could say. Still can't believe that, but it's something that is very necessary just because it makes taking off your wheels so much easier. And of course, it came with brand new black luggies. And this looks like it's for the oil filter. And of course, we don't want to use the old transmission bolts after we've done service. So brand new auto trans oil pan bolts, thermostat oil cooler bolts, a new oil pressure switch sensor. Can't go wrong with that. We got a brand new bracelet. Now, I'm not entirely sure what this is for. And of course, here we have, this is actually really, really cool. I've never had to change this in my life, but there's a new transmission pan. Bam. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous. And of course, the most nice looking box. Last but not least, I do believe this is we'll see. We had to do it to them. A brand new L-ring valve cover to go along with a brand new valve cover gasket. This thing literally, look at that. Look at that thing. At this point, I think we're just going beyond maintenance. Like, we're making this car bulletproof. I was highly advised that if I'm doing the gasket, just go ahead and do the valve cover as well. And well, that's exactly what we're going ahead and doing. Like I said, I'm taking this build very serious. I've learned a lot from my previous cars and I want this build to be done right, reliable, and bulletproof. And for the rest of the box as well, I can't just show you guys all the surprises, but we are going to be full bolt-on. We're gonna have all the tunes, all the pops, all the flames, all the pop, pop, pop. What do you think about that, Aguirre? Tell me, what do you think about that? Honest opinion on BMWs.
Okay, the next section of this vlog, I'm pretty excited. I have never been in any other 335i than this car right here, but we're gonna go meet up with the BMW guru himself and take a look at his 335i, because mine will be very, very, very similar to his when it comes down to performance. Let's go.
Dump in the jump, up top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from there. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know this.
All right, here we got Gus, the BMW expert. How long have you had it for?
Probably about a year.
About a year?
I had it sitting for like 5 months. I had to get an engine, turbos, I had to swap it all.
Really? Is it like stock turbo still?
No, it's the Vargas Stage 1s.
Oh, okay.
It's a little bit better than stock.
As my hood just closes. And what year is it?
2009.
Oh, it's an 09?
It's basically full bolt-on besides the outlets and intercooler.
Oh yeah, when you do the, what do you call it? The
Relocated.
it looks so much more different.
Yeah.
Which, I don't want to give away anything, but mine's gonna look fairly like this.
So it's a VRSF charge pipe, tile blowout valves.
Oh, so these aren't VRSF relocated?
MMP.
You got index 12s too?
Outdoor pump.
Damn. And you don't have an oil cooler?
No, this car didn't come with one.
No?
Yours has one?
No, it doesn't, but I was thinking on getting it because I heard a lot of people said that I should.
Yeah, it's definitely recommended.
Yeah, you gotta get like a whole new piece right here. I was looking at it, yeah. Did you tune it or what are you tuned on?
JB4 MHD back in flash. So it's basically MHD's like off-the-shelf maps, and JB4 is like a boost controller and stuff.
Oh, so it's higher than Stage 2 Plus then, right?
Yeah, pretty much. And I can set the boost to whatever I want.
Oh shoot, how much boost is it pushing?
Right now, like 23.
23?
I did all the gaskets.
Yeah.
It's not really leaking.
Did you do the open gasket or not? Yeah, you did too. Well, you had to take out the motor, so.
But it's an X-Drive too, so that made it a lot harder.
Oh, so this one's four-wheel drive?
Yeah, but I have the front shafts out right now, so
okay.
rear wheel.
So you can do donuts and stuff?
Yeah.
Nice.
And I had to like cut like half the axle, like the outer part of the axle in the fronts, and leave that part in so that it could read the sensor. So it doesn't the computer. Because at first I had them out and the car wouldn't drive. It would throw a 4x4 code.
What exhaust do you have?
Muffler delete.
Just a muffler delete?
Yeah,
and stock hats?
No, the catalyst downpipe.
Oh, okay, right. N54 or N55?
I have an N55, but I think N54.
Yeah?
For sure. Like,
for power?
Yeah, way faster. N55 more reliable, smoother to drive, I feel like, compared with the 8-speed and stuff.
Yeah.
But N54 is way more stronger.
How do you feel about the B58?
That beats all of them.
Yeah? Do you want to get like a 340 or what?
435, I want to sell it, get a 440.
Oh, okay. Nice, yeah. This is also auto?
Yeah.
How do you feel about people that say you shouldn't get an auto on this car?
I was against the autos till I got the 435 with the 8-speed, and I fell in love with the auto, just the way it shifts.
Dude, and seriously, like the traffic where we live, it's bad.
It's terrible. My leg gets tired in my manual car.
Literally, it's so bad, so. Dude, that's sick, bro. Dude, it sounds crazy. I hope the camera picks it up. The blow off noise, wow, that is loud.
I have the trans tune as well.
Oh, trans tune too? Oh yeah, I wonder how it's gonna shift now.
Yeah, it's on stage 2, but stage 3 it's like even more aggressive.
And you did the solo notes and everything?
No, I didn't do that.
Oh, you didn't do that?
I haven't had service yet.
Yo, I can never get over that. I cannot wait to do this to my car. I did not see that. gear pull?
That was third.
That was third, right? Yeah.
Second, it just like
It's so smooth that when you shift, you don't really feel it.
second gear. It's a fun car.
Dude, it's so fun. Wow.
For the
Compared to
price
mine,
for the price you can get these cars though, it's like
it's perfect.
Yeah.
Like, I had no idea you could buy a car for this price and you can do this much things to it. And just make it so fun. Alright, we're gonna run it to get a flyby. Dude, that thing is sick, yo. I needed this like as a motivation so I can do it to my car. The sound that car makes is beautiful. It really does sound like a 2JZ, I'm telling y'all. Yes! You can still hear the pops. And it doesn't have like a crazy pop tune either. It's like nice pops. And I like how you don't have a bunch of pops, right?
Yeah, I set it up.
What do you have it at, like medium or like low?
It's actually on the most aggressive pops, but the duration is like I think
Oh,
set
right.
lower.
I like that. It's just like a couple pops.
Let me show you the anti-lag.
Oh, yeah. This thing moves. How much do you think it's making?
Probably like 475,
475?
450.
And like the same amount of torque maybe?
Yeah. On E, probably could touch 5.
Now that was sick. That gave me so much more motivation for this build. And I hope you guys are hyped. But, of course, Merry Christmas. Enjoy this next short film done by EJ. He absolutely killed it. I love you guys. Peace.